it really did begin with my friends on campus and with the other women I was organizing with. And that's what I think has sometimes gotten lost in all of this, is that I was, you know, a quote-unquote regular person, whatever that means, who looked around me at the lives of the women I knew and the women I cared about. And together we decided we needed to make a change, and that we needed to stand up for the Affordable Care Act and talk about what it would mean to women to have affordable access to the health care that they need. Not just contraception, but breast cancer screenings and cervical cancer screenings, and assistance with breastfeeding and immunizations for their children. So that's really where it all got started.
And how was it that you were approached to speak before a House panel pushing insurance coverage of contraception?
Well, we had come together as students at several campuses because we wanted the world to know how this legislation would impact students and how much it would mean to us. And I guess I did okay at the press conference. So I got a call through the National Law Students for Reproductive Justice organization that they were interested in someone coming forward and sharing some of our experience with that House committee. And I said, well, I have immigration class, but I guess I'll miss that day.
And so you go to speak before Darrell Issa's committee.
That's right, yes.
And what happened?
Well, unfortunately, Chairman Issa felt that it was more important to hear from those 5 male voices than to hear from a woman, and to hear from someone who wanted to share the stories of the women who would be impacted by the policy. And that's just such a, I mean, not only such a sexist move to not hear from a woman about women's health, but a failing of democracy to not hear from someone who wants to talk about what the impact is going to be on the citizens of this country.